Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. In my previous video you could see I made the herringbone half double crochet stitch, and it's this one. And there's also a version of the herringbone double crochet stitch, and you can see that this is larger. You can see the herringbone is wider than here, and I thought it would be nice to make this stitch too. So this was the herringbone half double crochet and this is the herringbone double crochet stitch. And before I'm going to show you how to make this stitch, I want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And I'm going to take my yarn and my crochet hook of 5mm, and I'm going to start making this stitch. So make a slip knot and make as many chains as you want your work to be wide. But keep in mind that you're gonna skip the first 3 stitches, so your work will be less wide. So let's say once my work this wide, I'm gonna add 3 more stitches. Or you can see that if I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3 stitches from the hook, then my work will be this wide. So for row 1, I'm gonna skip the first 3 stitches, and in the next stitch you're gonna make the herringbone double crochet. That means you're gonna yarn over and put it in that stitch. You're gonna draw up a loop, and that loop is gonna go through the first loop on your hook, like this. Now yarn over and put it through the first loop on your hook. 2 loops on your hook, so yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. So it looks the same as the herringbone half double crochet, but you're gonna make an extra an extra stitch on top of your herringbone stitch. So again, yarn over to the next stitch, draw up a loop and pull that loop to the first loop on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. So yarn over into the next stitch, draw up a loop and pull that loop through the first loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. So just do this for the rest of your row. Also in the last stitch, make your herringbone double crochet stitch. Now for the next row is what you're going to repeat for the rest of this pattern. Chain 3 and turn your work, and this chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that first stitch here. So into the next stitch we're going to make our herringbone double crochet stitch. And you can see I'm holding my work here, so I'm gonna pull my loop easier through that first stitch over here. So on every next stitch you're gonna make your herringbone double crochet stitch. I'm just gonna show you slowly so you can see what I'm doing. So at the end I have 1 herringbone stitch over here, and I've got the chain 3. So in that last herringbone stitch you're gonna make your herringbone stitch, and then don't forget to make your last herringbone double crochet stitch on top of the chain 3. So you've got your 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the 3rd chain, or in the top, we're gonna make our last stitch. So your sides will be nice and straight, and you've got the same amount of stitches on every row. I'm going to show you one more time. Chain 3 and turn your work. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that first stitch. So in the next stitch you're going to make your herringbone double crochet stitch. And by holding my work here, it's easier to draw your yarn through that first loop on your hook. So if I'm not doing that like this, so I want to pull it through here, you can see I'm having a hard time pulling that yarn through that first loop on my hook. Okay, so for the last stitch, 1, 2, the third chain, don't forget to make your stitch in there too. And now you can see how that zigzag is coming into your pattern. So it's an easy stitch, like the herringbone half double crochet. And I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And I've got 2 links in the description where you can help me develop my channel by donating some money. And I think I need a new video camera because I'm having a hard time sometimes with it and it's shutting down sometimes, so I'm gonna save up for buying a new camera. So if you want to help me with that, I would appreciate it. And for now, I just want to wish you happy crocheting and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!